I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can. I think you can. It's just arrived. Oh look, it's been tested. 11.2 foot-pound. 2 magazines. Not familiar with these. Yep. What we got in here? Velcro. Allen keys. That I think is for the bipod. Goes down here somewhere. And in here we've got a spare magazine for it being late. Thank you, Pelpax. And what we got here? Excite hammers. Never tried them. Should be interesting. Let's pull the rifle out. There is 2,500 psi in. Now at this point I can't actually fire it because I'd need to check whether there's anything in the breech, which I can't. So I'm not going to fire it. I'm not going to dry fire it because I'm not 100% sure it's clear. But let's have a feel. Well, that is pretty comfortable to shoulder. What we got here? Pelpax. Yeah, very good. Like I said, I can't dry fire it. I think these just pull off. Yep. So that is the Benjamin Akela. I can actually use that box for the time being to transport it while I get my case, which is on order. I don't know what this is. Long reach Allen key, that could be power adjuster. I don't know, not sure. The walnut's pretty dry. I'm going to have to Danish oil that. A little bit rough there. In fact, it's a little bit rough everywhere, but yeah, we can stick some and get some 1600 and some Danish oil on that and give it a little bit of a nice finish. It looks pretty good. Okay.